mtalii wa kusini.
I know you're looking forward to have a great adventure. Get lost in the epic safari in places that you've never been before. Just to experience all of what life can offer you. Breathe, sit back and relax. Southern Tanzania got you covered. In this part of our land, there is more adventure, more beach, more nature, more experience, more culture, more food, and more fun. When the morning comes, pack your bag and go to Southern Tanzania. When the evening falls, sit in the beautiful beach and have it all. Visit Southern Tanzania for an unforgettable experience.